this is quite a revelation because we have always seen you as very fierce, very confident, and I was about actually I invited you for our last session about being alpha personality, and then pero how do you manage this? Because you're always like in the face of the public. So how do you balance yung I think this is gonna be helpful for a lot of people who has anxiety problem facing the public. How do you handle this anxiety, Mayor Sarah?
I just suck it all up and then put a face and then go out there. I have to share this with you, an experience of mine. So I was a neophyte. Hindi na rin ako neophyte nun because I was already running for mayor, and in one of the campaign rallies, sa sobrang hindi ko naayos yung sa loob ko, I was talking incoherently, I was not making sense, and nalilimutan ko kung ano yung mga points and na dapat ko sabihin. Na after the campaign, after the rally, my President Duterte really talked to me. Sabi niya sa akin, "Are you drunk?" Sabi ko,